Hey Glam Squad, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to apply lashes. I did a video like this, a very similar video a couple of months ago, and I went through everything you needed to know about lashes, from lash glue to application and to like some of my favorite lash brands out there. So I will leave that linked up here if you want to check it out. But I wanted to create this video for anyone that has purchased my lashes. I wanted to give you guys a personalized step-by-step video on how to apply them so you can get the best out of your lashes. I will also do a video on how to take care of your lashes, how to clean them and get the most out of them, so stay tuned for that as well. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. If you are interested in checking out my lash collection, I will leave my website linked in the description box, and also my Instagram account as well. I have set up a separate account for my lashes, so I'll make sure that I pop that in the description box so you can pop over there and give me a nice little follow as well. That would be lovely. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is choose what type of lashes you want to go for. There's two different collections, natural and glam. Natural, as seen here, has a transparent lash band, very easy to apply and made from 100% human hair. Then we have the glam collection, which is more of your nighttime glam dramatic style of lash. There's 4 different styles in this collection. They are made from a mix of silk and faux mink. They have a black lash band, so it's not too thick, so they're still very easy to apply and very flexible. If you want more information on the different styles of lashes in my collection, I'll leave the video linked above. Next, it's time to choose your glue. There's lots of amazing brands out there, but Duo is one of my favorites. It comes in a tube and also in a wand applicator. I'd highly recommend the wand over the tube because, as you can see here, there is a lot of waste and it's a lot messier. The wand is really easy to use and apply onto your lash band. They also come in clear and black. Choosing an applicator is optional. Some people like to use their fingers and that's totally okay. However, if you struggle with lashes, I'd recommend looking into an applicator. You could just use your tweezers, or you could buy a lash applicator as well, which makes applying lashes super easy, and you can really connect your regular lashes to the false lashes very easily. When removing your lashes from the lash tray, be really gentle, particularly if you're using more natural styles of lashes, because they are a little bit more fragile. Start on the outside, gently removing the lash from the tray and work your way through the whole lash until it's completely separated. Hold the lashes in the center with your applicator or your tweezers, and then just look down into a mirror and just pop it right on the middle. I don't have any lash glue or anything now on my lashes. I'm just using this as a guide to measure them. So I'm just going to drag down the outer corner and see if that length is going to be okay. And then in the inner corner, they're not going to stick down now because there's no lash glue on them, but I just want to get an idea if it's going to be the right shape for my eyes. You can see these ones are perfect. I don't need to trim them or anything. If you need to trim your lashes, I'd recommend starting from the outer corner. You'll be able to tell that your lashes kind of go in clusters or bonds, so I'd usually take a cluster at a time and just measure it up against the other lash. Just do it bit by bit, because the last thing you want to do is over trim them. Another reason why you don't want to trim the inner corner is because when you cut the lash band, you can actually leave the sharp edges on the lash band. So when you place it onto your eye, the inner corner will start to scratch off that really sensitive part of your eye here, and it can just cause irritation, or the lashes can just feel uncomfortable. Some of the thinner lash bands, like these ones, will have a little bit of length in the inner corner for you to trim off, and that's totally okay to trim that. It is very, very light, but if you are trimming the heavier lashes or kind of thicker lash bands, there is a chance that you could leave sharp edges. Apply a very thin amount of glue to the lash band, covering the whole entire lash, and give it about 30 seconds until it gets tacky, unless you have a quick drying glue. So I like to hold the lash in the center, and I look down into a mirror so I can see my full lash line, and then I just press the lashes into the center of the eye. and then I go back with the edge. I'm just going to drag it down to where I want the lashes to end. And then I like to just go underneath and just kind of attach my natural lashes and the falsies together, so they stick nicely together and you can't see that separation. And then I go into the inner corner and drag that inner corner right down. So then you just want to close your eyes and just go back with the end of the lash applicator, or you can use like the end of a brush or something and just start tapping down the lashes to make sure they're completely stuck down. These lashes are so great for like natural looks because the lash band is so thin that you don't have to wear anything underneath. You don't even need to wear eyeshadow. They're just so natural and they stick down so easily as well. They're literally just an extension onto your own lashes. So I absolutely adore this range. 100% human hair, again, transparent lash band. So that is pretty much it. That is how you apply lashes. I hope I covered everything in this video. If you do have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. If you'd like to check out my full lash collection, be sure to check out www.glambysaz.com, or you can check out my huge announcement video that I uploaded last week with the full collection and details behind the lashes and the names of the lashes as well. So I'll leave that linked for you in the description box and up above as well. I hope you have the most amazing day, and I hope I get to see you next week. Bye!